Just listed this morning here in Silver Downs. I wanted to show it to you. This is an all ages section of Silver Spring Shores here, these condos in Silver Spring Shores, which is nice. Some of them around here are 55 plus, but this one is all ages. Included with the HOA, you got exterior maintenance, ground maintenance. We got the pool over there. This is right around the corner. Take you less than a minute to walk over there from here. And so we'll walk in, 2-bedroom, 2 full bath, about 860 something square feet. So when you walk in, you've got a guest bedroom right here. We'll start here. Got a nice guest bath right there. And here's that bedroom. The closets right there. Coming back out over here to the kitchen. Nice cabinetry in here, nice countertops, and some newer appliances as well. Nice kitchen area. And these cabinets right here, they have these pull-out, which is nice. Soft close pull-outs, very nice. We'll come over here and take a quick look at the screened-in patio. It's a nice size little screened-in patio there. Every condo in here has its own parking spot outside. And you've got this slate tile here that they replaced. Very nice looking, very nice tile throughout here into the master bedroom. We've got closets there. You have vanity. And then we'll come on here. You've got the commode in this little separate area and the shower, walk-in shower, which is nice. And then you have this closet right here, just outside of the bathroom across from the vanity, where you've got your stackable washer dryer area there, right off the master. So nice little area there. Like I said, pool is just steps away from here. A lot of nice amenities here. Water is covered, trash, all those kinds of things. So it's a great, great place. Yeah, give me a call if you'd like some help with it.